Hi all. I hope I'm audible well here. So this is just to have a demonstration of MCP functionality. So where I have developed an MCP server with a lot of tool calling, the facilities inside that, and an LLM having a command over that which decides which call has to be made to what tool, and yeah, based on the protocol required. As if now, so I have few APIs which connects to internet and get few details out of it. So basically, so I developed an application where we can enter the pin code of any cities or any place in India and ask a question about that. Actually, if we know the pin code of anything, then we can just enter the pin code, and we can kind of get few details about that, kind of like what is the weather information, and where is the railway station, and what are the traveling facilities, and where is the airport, and which are the tourist locations, and all these things. Ideally, these things are expected to come from different APIs. First of all, actually it will check an API to get the details about this pin code. Then later, like actually based on our question, it will design, the LLM can actually have an autonomous decision making capability there, like to go to which function we need to go on. And I'm straight away going into the demo now. So now you can see like a simple web UI where actually I can do all these functions. So I'm just trying to keep something like this one. Actually, I can go ahead with anything here. So all these things will be actually taken from different tools. So here I am just typing like please find. In this place, and so yeah, it's just a straightforward one. So what happens is, like this much uh, different tool callings are actually there, and you can see the log what is happening here. So immediately, like the LLM actually gets triggered here, and it is actually trying to decode what I have asked. So first of all, actually it will be looking for a postal lookup to get the pin code details. Then finally, like actually it went to, so it understood like actually I'm asking about the tourist location. So instead of actually kind of activating all these functions, it directly went to the the tour the API which actually made the tool calling. Then it came back, and again the next call request actually comes here again. I'm using actually the LLM GPT for a mini. So again, actually it made the decision to call the next tool here, that is the to get the details of the railway. And finally, like actually, so this will be collecting all these details, and then it will move to the prefab UI which has been designed just to put all these things together. So I just actually captured this log lines in the UI itself to understand like what is happening actually. So here you can see the pin code is being entered, and after the LLM will actually trigger that one. Then here you know it will look for the pin code, then it will come back and see like what are the tourist locations. Then it will go for the railway station, and finally this will come back and actually make all these things into the dashboard, which will be happening within few seconds now. See, you can see that one of thoughts actually it is making over here. So based on this thought process, actually it will decide what has to be the call later has to be done. So now like it is actually kind of yeah, it is doing the CRUD operation, like the create, read, update and delete. So that is what actually is saving to the disk. Finally again, so it will come back, and the last operation will obviously after finishing all these things. This will actually getting all these things into a interesting dashboard like this. So since it is all about the pin code, so from the central Delhi, this are the post office is available, And so the question is about the questions we asked actually. So these are the main the tourist locations which has been found in the near proximity, and the railway stations which we can take over from there. So I didn't ask about the bus stations, airports, or metro stations, or anything else there. If I would have asked that, actually, definitely it would have pulled out all these things as well actually. So yeah, that's it about this one. Thank you.